Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are all staying warm. I think it's freezing like everywhere in the United States. It's even a little chilly here in Southwest Florida. But anyways, I am excited because I have a subscription box to open today, obviously. I'm unboxing or unbagging, I guess I should say, because it comes in this big bag here. My Bolzano Handbag subscription. So if you're unfamiliar with this subscription, it is awesome. You get one handbag each month and then 2 to 3 accessories for only $33.95. I also have a promo code. I just double checked, it's still active, so I don't get anything from it, but you guys, if you use my code when you're a new subscriber, you get a free $45 gift. So if you're interested in subscribing, definitely check out the description box down below. Before I get unbagging, I want to remind you all that I just launched my 2,000 subscriber giveaway yesterday, and that goes on for the next month. So if you have not yet entered, I will leave the link below to the video so you can see what the prizes are if you'd like, and also learn how to enter. So please do so below. Okay, so when I take it out of the wrapping bag, this is what it looks like. So it comes in a duster bag, so you can store your purse in here, use it for whatever you want. It says Bolzano on it. And then, looks like there's some paper in here. This is new. Let's see. I'm gonna untie this bag. See, it's all tied to the top of the duster bag. So, this is what the bag, what am I talking about? This is what the card looks like. So this is the first time I've seen something like this. It says Jewel Tone is this month's theme. So they must have monthly themes now, that's cool. It says whether you're supporting 2019's winter fringe, floral, or industrial fashion theme, this month's jewelry is sure to fit the bill to a multitude of styles. Jewel Tone pieces are one of our favorites. They provide so many more options to pair with belts, shoes, or other accessories. This duality also makes them excellent travel companions. Take them anywhere and match a variety of travel outfits without having to pack your entire jewelry chest. Alright, and then, oh, I saw this on their website today. So they have a new subscription option. It's called the Purse Companions. So if you sign up today, it says you can receive a free Moroccan oil valued at $34. And this Purse Companions is only $8 a month, and you receive 2 to 3 name brand fragrances and or cosmetic items with your monthly subscription plus free shipping. And just looking at the picture, they have amazing brands. So they have Moroccan oil, L'Occitane, it looks like a beauty blender, some kind of beauty sponge, The Body Shop, Clarins, and OPI on there. And that's only $8 a month. I might have to get that. That's awesome. So I think that's such a good idea. So it's just like goodies to put inside your bag. And then this was connected to it. I don't have one of these. I think it's like one of those things you put on the back of your phone. It says, here's a free gift from Bolzano. Happy New Year, we love our members. And then it says, take a survey and tell us what you love or what you would like to see. What are these, like pop, whatever, I don't know, but this goes on the back of your phone. This is a free gift, so that's exciting because I don't have one. And they seem like it'd make your phone easier to hold. Why can't I think of what they're called? Pop socket? That just doesn't sound right, I don't know. Anyways, oh my gosh, this bag looks so cute. So when I open it, this is what it looks like, or take it out of the duster bag, I should say. So here's a strap, and there's some accessories attached to the purse as well. This is cute. I love this like taupe brown color, and the size of this too. When you sign up, you can kind of tell them, like, I think you enter a survey of like what kind of styles you like. And I think I told them that I prefer bigger bags, and I love this. Like, this is an everyday type bag, super cute. You can see there's like a little detailing here that has their logo. And let's see what the jewelry is, and then I'll show you more of the bag. Or actually, I'll show you more of the bag. So, and there's like a side pocket right here that's huge on both sides. And then in the middle, there's a zipper compartment. Something just dropped, I don't know what. And there's multiple little pockets in here. Another zip pocket, it's so deep. This is awesome. There's so much space. I love when there's like a front thing, but it's on both sides. So you can just throw like things you need to grab quick, like maybe your keys or whatever. And then you can zipper up like things that are important, like your phone and wallet and all of that. So you can see there's like compartments right here. And then there's that like zipper pocket on the side. That is so awesome. It looks like there's even little slots here for like your credit cards and stuff. I'm not sure if you can really see that, but they're like right over here. This is awesome. So, see what it looks like? I shouldn't stand up. I'm wearing like pajama pants right now. big secret. I think a lot of YouTubers do it. We'll wear like a nicer top and sweatpants. But anyways, okay, so that is the bag, which I love. I'm so happy with it. It's so spacious. Okay, I'll stop raving about it. I like the color a lot too. I like that it's not just like a classic brown. I like this color so much. I like it more actually. I think it kind of matches me well today. Alright, so I got 2 jewelry items here. They're usually coordinating, it seems like. And typically like, almost always jewelry, I would say. I think one month we got like something that's like a fashion statement for your heels. Like, can be like a little bows on the back of it. I think that was last month. But this is like a little shiny bracelet. And my battery light's flashing. So this is cool. I like how it's like that. Can you see? Like to put it on, it's very easy. So this would fit everyone. Super cute. I love simple jewelry. And then the necklace that goes with it. This is very festive. I feel like wearing stuff like this in the winter time is so much more fitting, but you can wear it whenever. Like this would be super cute. Right now I have on my necklace that I got in my Emma and Chloe jewelry subscription, which I wish I still had. I got that free for review, but it is so beautiful. Just reminding you guys, like this little clover. But yeah, this is awesome. So we got the bracelet, this matching necklace, a free gift. I'm super excited about this. I wish I knew what they're called. And then the most exciting, this beautiful bag. I'm so excited about it. It's so spacious. I gotta take this off. Sorry, that's probably really annoying unless you're into the ASMR stuff. But yeah, so like I said, I'll leave the link below along with the promo code. So I think it's just called Kitty Gift, but it's not really a promo code. You actually have to add it to your cart. So like on the website, you use a little search bar button and type in Kitty Gift. And then add it to your cart, and it's free, and then you'll get your free $45 gift. So that gift is actually more than this entire subscription. And these are like good quality purses too. You would think it'd be like kind of cheap for the price of $33.95, but these are great quality. I've liked every single one I've received. I'll start a playlist actually of all of the boxes I got if you want to take a look. I'll put that down below so you can see all of the bags and see that they are consistently awesome. And of course I will leave my giveaway link down below, so please enter. It's super awesome. It's a big thank you to my subscribers. So anyways, thank you for being here. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.